So how would you describe the state of the oil and gas industry at this time?
It's very busy. It's become very busy over the last couple of years. I noticed our machine shop, we have a lot of capacity to sell in there in the machining, and we are already booked out through to Q1 in 2013 and into Q2. Many of our major customers are looking to book capacity, and because the state of the present time in the oil and gas is very busy.
You mentioned you've got a machine shop, so what kind of equipment are you working on?
We have a wide range. We're wide range from the smaller parts right up to the bigger complex parts. We're involved in small gate valves, drilling, tooling, subsea work, and most of our machine shop, most of our machining is large horizontal boring. We have large vertical machine tools, but we also have smaller machine tools, long bed lathes, so we cover a variety of parts, including cladding.
You mentioned cladding. Why is that required?
Well, cladding is anti-corrosion, and we have over 60 procedures in cladding, mostly Inconel, onto F22 8630 materials 40130. It's a big part of our business. We have 5 large cladding rigs, we have 4 ovens for post-weld heat treatment, and most of the stuff that we do has clad inlay in it.
So weld overlay cladding, are the procedures well defined? Is it easy to realise?
Well, we have over 60 procedures at the moment. We're progressing through another 5. It takes maybe 5 or 6 weeks to have these weld procedures, but once we have them and they're in place, we have the skill and the expertise and the professionalism to carry out this procedure.
And the cladding procedure, can it be applied to parts with all shapes and sizes?
Yes, it can. Most of the stuff we do is complex. We do a lot of complex block work. But in some cases, especially the smaller type bores, it's easier to put an Inconel insert into the part and weld it top and bottom and machine through the Inconel insert. It provides defect-free.
Now, it sounds like you're a very busy company. Does this mean you have the confidence to invest in the future?
Absolutely, yes. We have recently just moved a plant from Douglas, which is in South Lanarkshire. It was 27 miles south of Coatbridge, where we are at the moment. And we have just completed moving that plant into Coatbridge, and we are looking to invest in newer machine tools and new cladding equipment.
So good news for the people of Scotland?
Yes, absolutely, definitely. We also have a plant in the north of England as well. We have a plant there in Stockton and Tees. And that particular plant, although there is no cladding in that plant, it was mostly a horizontal boring, and we have invested very recently in long bed lathes and vertical machining tools to give it a better scope.